CYN stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Syngin stock is sitting at 62 cents and it is 5.8% up for the day. The way that I'm specifically observing this is how my chart looks like. But it's a quite of a bearish trend. Like, I really am not trying to be like this bad guy, but it is. I mean, for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. And just specifically observing CYN, I mean, yeah, even like from beginning here, like this was in August, like summertime, I was still quite bearish. And then we've had this big gap and I was like, the only case that I would capitalize on this, or maybe even short, like that's the short when I say capitalize, was going to be if I saw a double shift or the double break lower. And guess what I saw? Nothing. I mean, it's just consolidating still up. And if I see a double break, this will still count. So in the meantime, what I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. And yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and neat way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.